By listening closely to communities and individuals, we've found that the transport needs in different communities are very complex. And because of this complexity, we need to work with the community and at finding the right solution. We're working on a project in the Llanelli area, working with 4 schools, primary schools, in taking forward a project that will utilise 2 electric minibuses. We're working with the school council in identifying usage for those vehicles for the communities outside of school use, and we're also developing other services to the side of it.
This project came about with Dolan Tavy through us having a challenge really. The rising costs of transporting the children out on trips was a real barrier in limiting us on the number of trips we were able to provide. Working with Rod at Dolan Tavy, he was able to provide a service for us which allowed us to train our staff in being able to drive the minibuses and also then to provide a service which was far more beneficial in terms of cost and ease of access.
I just love going on trips.
I'm really thankful to go on trips more often. Thank you Dolan TV for the minibuses.
Thank you, Dolan TV!
Sometimes it's as simple as putting a vehicle in a location and working with the community or the organisation to building up its usage. Or sometimes it's about looking at the problem and looking for funding to overcome that problem. We currently operate 23 vehicles throughout Ceredigion and Carmarthenshire. We as an organisation understand that a lot of people don't want to operate their own vehicles, which basically means that we are able to help support organisations and communities by the very fact that we'll operate those vehicles on behalf of those communities.
The work we do with Dolan Tavy is very much on a grassroots level. They really kind of get into what's needed in the local community. We work in partnership to deliver lots of different services with community transport. Here we have a minibus and we use that to bring socially isolated people to different activities at the centre. We also have a little electric car. We use that for getting people to appointments and shopping.
Mae'n rhywbeth da i'r gymuned. Mae wedi bod yn fendith I ni fel cymuned a ni yn gwerthfawrogi fe'n fawr iawn.
It is my lifesaver.
Once you've had a car taken away or you're no longer able to drive, the lack of transport becomes a real barrier for people.
If somebody comes to us and says to us that they've got a transport need within their community, we'll sit down, listen to them, try to understand what that need is and try to then look for a solution that fits that community.